A lot of subscribers have been asking how to simply create a collage effect in Final Cut Pro X, and today I'm going to go over how to simply create this. Here on the screen is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of Final Cut Pro plugins to help your workflow. If you haven't checked out the website, please be sure to do so. These plugins will help you out and they will enhance your Final Cut Pro workflow. Now let's get right on into the video for today. Okay, so for today's video, we are going to simply cover how to create a impactful collage effect in Final Cut Pro and how to do it the simple way. So let's get started. So the link for this will be in the description, and once you get it, it will be in your titles section, and it will be the B3 collage pack. And there's a collage of around 50 different templates that you can use, but we're just gonna go over probably just one or two today. I don't want to take too much of you guys' time. These can be used for really pretty much anything, recap videos, sports videos, documentaries, things of that nature. Just be creative with these plugins. Try to create these to kind of make it as simple as possible for you to use. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. So for the random collage that we chose collage number 10. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to our inspector tab. And as you can see here, there are drop downs and drop zones here. And this is where you can just simply add your own drop down. We're gonna add some athletes here. So I'm just gonna click in the drop zone right here, add a player, and continue to do so. You can just scroll through the timeline to see which drop zone you would want to place each specific photo. So for drop zone 2, we're gonna go to this one. Let's add LeBron James for this one. And for this one, let's add Steph Curry. Like I said, guys, this is a great plugin that literally just place your photos or videos in the drop zone. This doesn't necessarily have to be photos. These can be video clips. Click on the collage. You can change some of the parameters here as well. The fade out color, the background color, we can change it from white to a kind of yellowish, green, anything you would want, guys. Yeah, this is a great plugin. Let me try to add one more so we can kind of play through it. So once we apply this, you can see as we play the collage animation. Very nice collage. That's how you can easily get it done. Like I said, the link is in the description. There are 50 different collage effects that you can use. So definitely take advantage of these. If you use these, please tag us. And if this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. And I hope this video helped you out. And I am looking forward to seeing you again next time. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a great day.